In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Opera AI in just a few simple steps. If you've been seeing the Opera AI button, AI prompts, or other built-in AI features, and you want a cleaner, more distraction-free browser experience, this tutorial is for you. This can be really helpful if you don't use the AI tools, want to reduce clutter, or simply prefer to browse without extra prompts showing up all the time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Opera on your computer. Once the browser is open, look for the Opera icon in the top left corner of the window and click it. This opens the main menu, where you'll find the browser settings. From the menu, go down and click on Settings. This is where Opera keeps most of its customization options, including appearance, privacy, and built-in features. When the settings page opens, look for the Opera AI option. Depending on your version of Opera, this may appear as an AI section, an AI sidebar feature, or a setting related to AI prompts. Click into that option and you should see a toggle for Opera AI. To turn it off, simply switch the Opera AI button off. If you also see options for AI features or AI prompts, disable those as well so the browser stops showing AI-related suggestions and tools. Once the toggle is off, the change should apply right away. In some cases, you may want to refresh the browser or close and reopen Opera to make sure the setting fully updates. After that, the Opera AI button should no longer be active, and your browser should feel much simpler and more streamlined. So that's it. You've now turned off Opera AI and disabled the AI features you don't want. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick guides just like this one.